Hello friends, welcome to today's video. So today is 2nd July 2026 and we'll see how the market performed today. First foremost we'll see the update from Trump's. So as we have discussed yesterday, Trump is still silent on US-Iran war and mostly has not posted anything about the war situation. But he has posted like S&P regarding S&P that it is closed with the strongest quarter since 2020. Also, he is saying key oil prices are plummeting fast, so that is a good news for the market. And he also take a dig at the NATO countries for using the US fund for their defense. So these were all the tweets from the Trump. From the Iran side, Iran is like preparing for the Khamenei's funeral, and I think mostly due to this funeral which is scheduled from 4th July to 9th July, all the sides are at peace, and I don't think there will be any press escalation which will be happening during this period. So Qatar is saying that there are some positive progress has been made between the US and Iran regarding the ceasefire talks. So I think this is good news for the market. Now we'll see the commodity. So yes, as Trump already said that crude oil prices are going down. So currently crude is trading at around 70.74 USD. So it's slightly coming down from higher levels. It was like 73 to $74 in last week. It is very interesting to see how low crude oil will go in next 1 month. Also, gold is now steadily rising. Today it rose by around 2.4%, which is good news. If you see the currency market, the USD INR is still falling. The fall for today was not that much, but yes, it has not recovered the 95 mark. It is still way beyond the 95. So let us see what Indian government will do about it. Now let us quickly look at Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty, how it performed today. And majorly today was the sensex expiry. So firstly we'll start with the FII activity. Interestingly, FII is positive buyer. So first time in few weeks we are seeing that FII has net positive buying in the Indian capital market with around 280 crore. It's small, but at least it is not negative. DII has also bought 10,000 crores in buying, so it's good news for the market, and that's the reason we have seen some bullish movement in the market today. If we consider the Nifty 50, it was in a good bullish run today. It went till like 200 points up and it closed around 24,175, and it made strong support at that level. The gainers were mostly from the IT and automobile and automobile and electricity stocks, including energy stocks as well. And the top losers were mostly bank and healthcare stocks. For Nifty 50 OI data, we can see OI build up in the 24,100 level, which is indicating that market will be in a bullish segment only, because most of the option writers are in the below 24,100 level. So it is very interesting to see this, because the Bank Nifty was in the negative shape today. It closed around flat only. It was hovering like plus 100 to minus 100 range throughout the day, and all the major banks were in a red except ICICI, IDFC and SBI. It is very interesting to see the option data of the Nifty Bank, because There are most of the contracts are above 57,000 or 58,000 levels, which indicate that there is some downward pressure on the banks. So it is very interesting to see because Nifty is trying to be bullish and the bank is trying to be bearish. So ultimately, who will decide market? We will see tomorrow. If you consider the global markets, US markets are in a green zone, which is a good news. Gift Nifty is also slightly positive today. So most likely we will have some green opening, positive opening tomorrow markets. If we consider the Bitcoin, Bitcoin is at a similar level around 60,000, yeah, $61,000. So we'll see when the Bitcoin can recover. So okay, that is it for the today. I will meet again tomorrow with the new updates. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.